Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated videos using Canva for free. Canva is an amazing tool that lets you make professional-looking animations without needing any design skills. In this tutorial, we'll create a fun animated scene step by step. So, if you're ready, let's jump right into Canva. First, let's start by creating a new project. I'll choose the YouTube intro template, but you can use any size you like. And that's it for Scene 1. We've created a cool ocean adventure with moving elements. Now, let's create Scene 2. And just like that, we've built a lively town animation in Canva. And that's how you create animated videos using Canva for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.